ready to go sing? Are you going to start to sing, Zoe?
Yeah, I can't wait.
Okay, let's sing.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you.
Help with the candles in.
She has to make a wish. Let her
1,
make
2,
a wish.
3.
Whoa! Yay!
Yay, Zoe, you did a good job.
All right.
And we even have...
Careful, it'll be hot, honey.
Be careful. Do you think the cake?
Hmm?
Do you think the cake was lit?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
You did a good job. He took a video.
Oh, all right. He did the cake.
Now this is all nice. You know, CD.
Will you give Sarah a birthday kiss? Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh, sorry. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
I did that the other day.
Put the candles away.
Anybody need another fork? So pretty.
Oh, mine. Look at that.
Yeah, but it's got icing all over it.
Who wants ice cream?
Me.
Sarah, do you want ice cream? And you are allowed to say no.
Yeah.
Okay.
I had a knife. What did I do?
Throw me on the table.
Where's the candles? Where's the candles? Where's the candles?
Put them away, honey.
I said, you don't like chocolate?
Put one away.
I didn't want Bill said you don't like cake.
You like chocolate? Well, if you'd rather
Come on, baby.
have
There, away.
all
Okay,
ice
good
cream
job.
and no